Hi, welcome to my channel Jeevan Astro Answers. And this is the very basic astrology for the beginners. Some people still they are having the question in their mind, that is, what is horoscope? In this video, I am just going to explore the main aspects of horoscope. Astrology is based on the rule, that is, everything that occurs at some point has the features of that moment. And these features of the moment are the interrelationship between the natural laws of the place. If you believe in horoscope, you would know that all the 12 horoscope signs that exist are actually the constellation of the stars. As per astrology, each and every individual on this earth is born under a zodiac constellation and acquire the traits of that particular zodiac sign. However, each person in this planet is different from another. They do share some common characteristics features based on the aspect they were born in. A person's characteristics features are determined by his fate or his ancestors' karma. By reading the birth chart, we can analyze a person's destiny. Let's see the features of the birth chart or horoscope. Horoscope is just comprised of the 12 signs of the zodiac and is basically a map of the order of a star signs for any given moment arranged in a circle. This horoscope that it contains the planets and the planet position in the zodiac signs, and also the planet aspects and the planet relationship with the other planets, that it helps an astrologer to determine the character and event of a person's life. So, if you want to know the secret of your birth, you have to unwind the reality of your birth chart. Before reading the birth chart, one has to consider the four main important aspects in the horoscope. That is the planets, the zodiac symbols, the nakshatras and the 12 house system. One of the main aspects of our birth chart are the planets. Your birth chart simply shows the planets were in the sky at the date and the time of your birth. And each planet has a different effect on an aspect of our life. For example, Sun is the center of solar system and it represents the consciousness, soul, ego and authority. Whereas the Moon it reflects the soul, mind, opinion and emotions. Mercury symbolizing communication, intelligence and elegance. Venus represents two main areas of our life, that is love and luxury. Mars represents the energy, ambition, anger and violence. Jupiter is associated with the principles of growth, religion, healing, prosperity, good fortune and miracles. Saturn belongs to reality, pain, time, age, death and truth. Whereas Rahu, outward revolution, instability and transformation. Ketu envelops inward revolution, escapism, fantasy and enlightenment. Every planet that it encapsulates its own qualities, characteristics and potentialities within us. So it's very important to focus the position of the planets in the birth chart. The second main aspect of our birth chart is the zodiac symbols. The word zodiac literally means animals, and it just refers to the patterns or the configurations of creatures as seen in the twinkling stars at night. There are 12 zodiac symbols, and each sign has its own strengths and weaknesses. Each zodiac symbol that is corresponds to a different area of our lives. And this zodiac symbols that is having its own specific traits, desires, and attitude towards people. So that we have to concentrate a person's zodiac symbol specifically in our birth charts. The third main aspect of our birth chart is the nakshatras. A nakshatra is also called as lunar mansion or constellation. The ancient sages divided the zodiac into 27 nakshatras. The nakshatra in which one moon is placed at the time of birth is called as Janma nakshatra or the birth star. Each nakshatra yearned with 4 padas and each zodiac or rasi that it comprised of 9 padas. And this chart that is clearly explain the bonds of nakshatra with the corresponding rasi. Nakshatras matchmaking are very important for the wedding purposes. Actually, there are 10 factors that it determines the marriage matchmaking. These 10 factors are defined as yoni, nadi, aspect, drishti, lord of that pad, element, their influence of a jataka's body, color, their gender and merits. These 10 factors are based on nakshatra's own characteristics, features and certain qualities. And it also supports specific deity, ruling planet, symbolic form, animals and principles. The fourth main aspect of the birth chart is the 12 houses. This houses represents the earth rotation around its axis. This 12 house system reflects a different life theme or area. This 12 house system are classified into 3 types of Vedic birth chart. They are the South Indian style chart, North Indian style diamond chart and East Indian style sun chart. South Indian style chart is in the clockwise direction and is ruled by Jupiter, and here the features are the zodiac signs are fixed and the houses are moving. North Indian style diamond chart is in the anti-clockwise direction and ruled by Venus. And here the features are fixed houses and the moving zodiac signs. Whereas the East Indian style sun chart ruled by sun and it's in the anti-clockwise direction, and here the features are the zodiac signs are fixed and the houses are moving. And this is the Western style wheel chart. This is a model birth chart. To get your birth chart, you need the date, exact time and the location where you were born. A birth chart tells you where each planet was at the time of your birth, and each planet rules a different aspect of your life. The chart that is divided into 12 sections. Each section contains the name of the 12 different zodiac symbols. A person's planets are sketched on the birth chart to check on which symbol they dropped into it. Each planet can attempt the vision of the person's character and clarify about the individual's spirituality pathway for the special growth and transformation. Finally, what can a birth chart teach you? Reading a birth chart can bring a light in your life. Birth chart can make you understand the way that how you can perform in all aspects of your life. It illuminates all of our behavioral patterns, that's good or bad. It helps us amplify the positive ones and sheds a light on the negative behavioral patterns. Once you understand the exact things and why these proceedings are happening in your life, you can easily come out of your negative side of existence. Thank you and have a very nice day.